Today we will show you how to pair the ActiveCaptain smartphone app and use the Helm feature for the new ECHOMAP Ultra 2 chart plotters. You will need an ECHOMAP Ultra 2 chart plotter and compatible mobile device with the ActiveCaptain app installed to utilize the Helm feature. For more help installing the ActiveCaptain app, see the video in the description. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is similar to other Apple and Android devices. First, ensure the Wi-Fi network of the ECHOMAP chart plotter is configured with a network name and password. For more help, please follow the on-screen link for setting up your ECHOMAP chart plotter's Wi-Fi. Then select Home, Vessel, and then ActiveCaptain. Now open the ActiveCaptain app on your compatible mobile device. Select Boat Apps in the bottom left, followed by Connect. Swipe out of the ActiveCaptain app and go to your General Settings on your phone. Select your Wi-Fi settings. Select the ECHOMAP's Wi-Fi name. Navigate back to the ActiveCaptain app. Select Continue. Once successfully connected, select Done. The Boat app page will now show the Helm option. Select the Helm icon. App permissions will need to be allowed on the ECHOMAP Ultra 2. Select Helm on the ECHOMAP Ultra 2, then App Permissions. You will be provided with three options. View Only allows you to only mirror the screen to the phone or tablet. No Access will disable access to the Helm ability. View and Control is the default setting and will allow control of the ECHOMAP directly from your mobile device. Select View and Control. Now select the ECHOMAP on your compatible smartphone. Helm can be viewed in portrait or landscape. Helm can also record from the Ultra 2. Select the record icon in the top right to record the ECHOMAP display via the Helm feature. Select the stop icon to end recording. Recording videos will save in your photo library. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.